Thanks for joining us in this edition of Renovation Time. Today we thought we would talk about how to start the process of a renovation. A lot of people just really don't know where to start, who to call, what the process is like. And I know from experience, I go buy a new vehicle and it's very confusing. There's all these new features and bells and whistles with the vehicle, and then you see all these different prices, and it's really hard sometimes to digest all that information. Usually the salesperson knows it inside and out, so you're trying to dissect it and find out what the best value is and what really are going to be the best options for you. So the big thing now with renovations is website. Google is incredible. So you can find out pretty much all information now through Google. So if you're looking to do a kitchen reno or you're looking to do a bath reno and you just don't know where to start, Google it. Kitchen renovations, pull up some images, see what's out there, see what you like, see what you don't like, and that'll get you started. To find somebody to work with, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, it's pretty easy. You can find a local store to buy the product from. But if you're looking for a contractor, what I always suggest is ask your friends, ask your family, ask your neighbor, ask somebody that's did a reno that's similar to what you want to do, and then say who did it, and then obviously call that company. Nowadays, even for us, it used to be the yellow pages. You go to the yellow pages, you go scroll through it, you phone 3 or 4 different people, and then you'd have them come out. But now it seems more, especially for us as a company, we find it's all repeat, it's all referral, and there's so much more driven from the website, from Google, that what you see is people, they'll be online, they'll Google you, and then they'll email you, or they'll actually even check where you're located and find you. So the biggest thing when you want to try to find somebody to do the work is actually look for somebody that's a referral of somebody that's did work with them, and don't use basically a plumber to do your electrical. So make sure it's a professional that's actually doing it. So keep it within the same constraints as what that referral came from, and I think that would help you as well. Thirdly, one really important thing is details. So it's all in the details. So when you're getting a quote, if you're doing a bathroom reno, it says to do renovation, as we talked about. Probably not a good idea. Make sure you get the details of what they're actually doing and put it on paper. And then usually you'll sign something, and that's good for you, and it's actually good for the contractor as well. So next week we'll come back and we'll talk about the design process and typically how a renovation starts.
Renovation Time is brought to you by Andon Kitchen and Bath Center. Visit their showroom at 1985 Lansdowne Street West, just west of Braley Drive.